Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to download Steam Workshop mods without using Steam CMD. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click the Community tab in the top menu bar and select Workshop from the drop-down list. Use the search bar to find the game you want to mod. Select the game to view its available Workshop mods. Browse the mods and click on one that interests you. Then click the subscribe button. Steam will automatically download the mod to your library. If the game uses Easy Anti-Cheat, make sure to disable it before launching the game to avoid issues with mods. Some mods may include extra setup instructions. Check the mod description or creator notes for any additional steps. And that is it. You have just downloaded a Steam Workshop mod without using Steam CMD. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.